Hello and welcome back guys to SolidWorks tutorials. In this video we will learn how to create this animation in SolidWorks. This is the plumber block assembly we have created before. You can find the link of the video in the description below. Now open the plumber block assembly from here. Open. This is the plumber block. Now go to add-ins from here. Now select SolidWorks motion. Check the box. Click OK. You can find the motion study tab appear below. Click on it. This is the animation toolbar. We are going to create the animation from here. Go to models. Now go to assembly and select the exploded view option from here. Using the exploded view option we can dismantle the assembly simply. Now in the parts we need to select parts. Now select this lock nut and hold down the control key on your keyboard and select this lock nut. Now using the arrow shown here, drag it upward like this. Now first tab has been created. Now select this nut and this nut. Now using the same arrow, drag it upward. Now rotate the view holding the mouse scroll wheel like this. Now select this bolt and this bolt. Now using the same arrow, drag it downward like this. Now select this cap, drag it upward. Now select this upper bush, drag it upward, click anywhere. Again select this bush and drag it to the left. Now select this lower bush, drag it upward. Now click on anywhere. Now select again, drag it to the right. Now select the casting, drag it to the downward a little bit. Now select OK. Now exploded view has been created. Now click on the plumber block title here. Right click. Now select collapse. See, the body has been collapsed. Each and every part has been assembled. Now select explode again. See, you can select explode and collapse view. Now go to motion study. Open this menu first from here. Now select animation wizard here. First we will create a rotating animation. Now select rotate. Next, make sure the axis of rotation is y-axis. Number of rotation, keep it 2 clockwise. Next, duration will be 10 seconds. Start time is from 0. Finish. Make sure the number of frame rate is 60. Now select play. Now this will calculate each and every frame. Now again go to animation wizard from here. Now this time select explode, click next. Duration keep it 9 seconds and start time will be 10 seconds. Now click on finish. Now click calculate. Now you can see the exploded view has been shown. Now again select animation wizard and select collapse this time. Click next. Duration will be 9 seconds and start time will be 19 seconds. Finish. calculate. Now let's save this animation. First save the part, click here, save it. Now go to save animation from here. Now make the frame rate 60. Save the file location as per your need. Now select the aspect ratio 16:9. See, now save. Select here Microsoft Video 1. Compression quality will be 100 and uncheck the keyframe every. Every should be unchecked. Click on save. Now SolidWorks will calculate each and every frame of the animation. This will take time. The time will be based upon your system configuration. Now the animation has been created. Go and check out the video you have saved. Thank you for watching our video. Drop a like below, and for any doubts visit McLearners. Thank you for watching.